Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and my dear friends, monsoon update for Northeast India. Today the sky was almost clear and very uncomfortable hot and sultry weather prevailed over the region. Today the mercury touched 36 degrees Celsius and the feeling temperature was about 42 degrees Celsius due to the prevailing high humidity condition. However, there is some good news for you all. The temperature in the coming few days will be much less than what it is in these days. The monsoon current is again going to recede. From 15th onward, you will start getting some rain, and from 18th to 21st, the rainfall will be good. Also, from 17th onward, the sky condition will be mainly overcast to overcast, and there will be fairly widespread to widespread rainfall over northeast India. That is all for today, and thank you so much. Jai Hind.